Imagine there is no wall between you and the nature. Imagine the sun showering smile upon every face. Imagine you breathe green. Let us share the stories of manufacturing with responsibility. Responsibility towards people, planet, and business. Where we dream for you. Where machines join their hands to produce the dream you wear. Where we give every drop of water back to the Mother Earth. Ensure, reduce, recycle and reuse in every step of production. We are the ABBA family, who came into being in 1992, the first ever V3 Platinum status apparel manufacturer, with a promise to stand unique upon the apparel landscape. We have 6 magnificent responsible facilities. Our horizon is painted with platinum, gold and silver. Quality is an investment for us. Doing it right the first time is less expensive than correcting it later. We are also equipped for exclusive value-added services. We share the vision with Bangladesh, the most trusted name in the global apparel arena. Our promises to the society are well delivered. We craft the uncut gems into ornaments. We make sure that our men behind the machines are full of smiles and healthy. Our workplace is designed to refresh them and entertain them. We are blessed with the finest minds for catalyzing innovation and bringing in the finest quality, design and aesthetics. The dream we produce knows no border. We are working shoulder to shoulder with leading brands, crafting finest garments of a wide range and for all age groups. Be a part of our journey to manufacture with responsibility. Leave the planet a better place for generations to come. ABBA Group, manufacturing with responsibility.